the owner of the first successful rocket flight experience, Ottoman scientist Hasan Jalbi, also known as Lagrut, is the first brick of the science of ascending rockets, and he is the first human in history to launch a rocket to the sky. The famous Ottoman expedition, Ulya Jalbi, recorded in his huge book, Nama Tourism, that Hasan Jalbi, during the celebrations of the birth of Princess Kaya, daughter of Sultan Murad IV, stuffed gunpowder weighing about 50 ounces inside a 7-arm rocket. Then he got on this rocket and one of his assistants lit the rocket's fuse, and he succeeded in flying it up for a certain distance, and when the gunpowder is over, and he spread the wings he had prepared before as he landed on the sea near the coast of the Sultan Palace. The Sultan Murad rewarded him and blessed him, and registered him in the Safar class in the Ottoman army. The Sultan blessed him with a bag of gold, with a salary of 70 grams, as a gift. Hasan then traveled to Crimea and settled there until he died there.